Okay, today we're cleaning the whole house.
The whole house? That sounds dangerous.
Don't be dramatic. Grab the mop.
Why do I always get the mop?
Because you splash water everywhere. Might as well do it on purpose.
Ha, funny. Where's the bucket?
In the kitchen. And don't spill it this time.
Last time was an accident.
Sure. An accident on the brand new carpet.
I said I was sorry 100 times.
Sorry doesn't clean stains.
Fine. I'll mop like a pro today.
Good. I'll dust the shelves.
Dust? You mean move things around and sneeze a lot?
Exactly. Teamwork.
Wait, what about the bathroom?
Your turn.
That's not fair.
Life isn't fair. Scrub the sink.
You sound like my gym coach.
At least I don't make you do push-ups.
Honestly, cleaning feels like exercise.
Look at it as free cardio.
My arms already hurt.
We just started.
Can we take a break?
After the living room.
Okay. But I'm ordering pizza after this.
Deal. Pizza is your reward.
With extra cheese?
Only if you finish the bathroom.
You drive a hard bargain.
Done with the mop?
Yep. And no spills.
Wow, improvement.
I deserve applause.
You'll get pizza instead.
Even better. The whole house? That sounds dangerous. Why do I always get the mop? Ha, funny. Where's the bucket? Last time was an accident. I said I was sorry 100 times. Fine. I'll mop like a pro today. Dust? You mean move things around and sneeze a lot? Wait, what about the bathroom? That's not fair. You sound like my gym coach. Honestly, cleaning feels like exercise. My arms already hurt. Can we take a break? Okay. But I'm ordering pizza after this. With extra cheese? You drive a hard bargain. Yep. And no spills. I deserve applause. Even better.
Okay, today we're cleaning the whole house. Don't be dramatic. Grab the mop. Because you splash water everywhere. Might as well do it on purpose. In the kitchen. And don't spill it this time. Sure. An accident on the brand new carpet. Sorry doesn't clean stains. Good. I'll dust the shelves. Exactly. Teamwork. Your turn. Life isn't fair. Scrub the sink. At least I don't make you do push-ups. Look at it as free cardio. We just started. After the living room. Deal. Pizza is your reward. Only if you finish the bathroom. Done with the mop? Wow, improvement. You'll get pizza instead.